Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you very much. The train is quite full today.
Yes, it is. I was lucky to find this seat early.
My name is David, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David. I'm Anne.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am. I usually travel alone.
Oh, I see. Is this your first time on this route?
Yes, it's my first time taking this train to the city.
Don't worry, it's a very simple trip. The train is usually safe and comfortable.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous at first.
Nervous? Why?
I don't travel often, especially not by train like this.
That's understandable, but you'll be fine. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Thank you. I feel a bit better now.
So, what are you going to the city for?
I have a job interview.
That's great. What kind of job?
It's an office job in a small company.
Nice. That sounds like a good opportunity.
Yes, I really hope it goes well.
I'm sure it will. You seem calm and intelligent.
Thank you. That's very kind of you to say.
Do you live far from here?
About an hour away from the city.
Not too bad. I live a bit farther, so I often take long trips like this.
Oh, really? Do you travel often for work?
Yes, sometimes. I work in a company that requires movement between cities.
That sounds interesting.
It can be tiring, but also fun sometimes. You meet different people.
Yes, like today.
Exactly. Meeting new people makes the trip more enjoyable.
I agree.
By the way, if you don't mind me asking, do you feel ready for your interview?
I studied a lot, but I still feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. Just be yourself and speak clearly.
I will try my best.
Good. And remember, confidence is very important.
I'll keep that in mind.
Look, the scenery outside is nice today.
Yes, it's beautiful. I didn't notice at first.
Sometimes talking helps you relax and enjoy things more.
That's true.
I'm glad we met on this train.
Me too. It makes the journey less boring.
Definitely. Time goes faster when you talk to someone nice.
Yes, I already feel like the trip is shorter.
Well, we still have some time before we arrive.
Then let's keep talking a little more.
So, Anne, tell me more about your interview. What position are you applying for?
I'm applying for a receptionist position in a small company in the city.
That sounds like a good opportunity. Do you have experience in that kind of job?
A little bit, yes. I worked part-time at a small office before.
That's great. So you already know how to handle people and phone calls.
Yes, but I still feel nervous when I speak English.
Don't worry too much about that. You're already speaking very well.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
When is your interview?
Tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's soon. You must be preparing a lot today.
Yes, I reviewed my notes last night.
Good. What do you think is the most difficult part for you?
I think answering questions quickly in English.
I understand. A good trick is to take a short pause before answering.
Really? Won't that look strange?
Not at all. It makes you look thoughtful and confident.
I didn't know that. That's helpful.
Also, try to speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush.
Okay, I will remember that.
Imagine the interviewer is just having a normal conversation with you.
That sounds less stressful.
Exactly. It's not a test of perfection. It's just communication.
That changes my way of thinking.
Good. And what time does your train arrive in the city?
Around 10:30 a.m.
That gives you enough time to relax before the interview.
Yes, I planned to arrive early.
Perfect. Maybe you can also find a quiet place to review again.
Yes, maybe a cafe near the station.
Good idea. Just don't overthink too much.
I will try not to.
Do you usually get nervous before important events?
Yes, always. Even small things sometimes.
That's very normal. Even confident people feel nervous.
Really? I thought only I felt like that.
No, everyone does. The difference is how they control it.
That makes sense.
You already have experience, so you are more prepared than you think.
I hope so.
What will you do after the interview?
If I finish early, I might explore the city a little.
That's nice. The city has many interesting places.
Have you been there before?
Yes, many times for work. There are good parks and restaurants.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Maybe you can celebrate after your interview.
I like that idea.
Either way, try to stay positive.
I will. Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. I'm just happy to help.
It really helps me feel calmer.
Good. And remember, you are not alone on this journey.
Yes, talking with you makes it easier.
You mentioned you work in a company that requires travel. What exactly do you do?
I work as a field assistant for a logistics company. I help coordinate deliveries between cities.
That sounds like a very active job. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, most of the time I do. It can be tiring, but I like meeting different people.
How long have you been doing that job?
About 3 years now.
Oh, so you are quite experienced. Did you always want to do that kind of work?
Not really. At first, I wanted an office job, but I ended up in this field, and I adapted.
Sometimes life takes us in a different direction.
Exactly. And sometimes that's better than what we planned.
Do you work every day?
I usually work Monday to Friday, sometimes Saturdays if there's a lot of work.
Do you get tired from traveling so much?
Yes, sometimes, especially when the trips are long.
What do you do to relax after work?
I usually rest at home, watch movies, or listen to music.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me recover.
I think having free time is very important.
I agree. Without rest, work becomes too stressful.
Do you like working with people, or do you prefer working alone?
I prefer working with people. It makes the job more interesting.
Me too. I think communication is very important.
Yes, especially in any job.
In my previous job, I worked with customers a lot.
Oh, really? That must have helped your English a lot.
Yes, a little bit, but I still want to improve.
You are already doing well. I can understand you clearly.
Thank you. That motivates me.
You just need more confidence.
Do you ever feel stressed at work?
Yes, especially when there are delays or problems with deliveries.
How do you handle stress?
I try to stay calm and solve one problem at a time.
That's a good approach.
It doesn't always work perfectly, but it helps.
I should try that too in my life.
Yes, it works in many situations, not just work.
What do you like most about your job?
I like the feeling of movement and change. Every day is different.
That sounds exciting.
It is, but sometimes I also wish for a quiet office job.
So you have both good and bad sides.
Exactly.
I think every job is like that.
True, there's no perfect job.
After hearing you, I feel more relaxed about my own future job.
That's good. Every job becomes easier with time.
Thank you for sharing your experience.
You're welcome. It's nice talking with you.
So, Anne, when you are not working or preparing for interviews, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like doing simple things. I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
What kind of books do you like?
I like motivational books and sometimes simple stories in English.
That's great. Reading in English is a very good way to improve.
Yes, but sometimes I don't understand every word.
That's normal. You don't need to understand everything. Just try to understand the main idea.
Oh, I didn't think about it like that.
If you stop for every unknown word, you will get tired quickly.
That is true. It makes reading stressful sometimes.
Exactly. So it's better to keep going and enjoy the story.
I will try that next time.
What about music? What do you like to listen to?
I like soft music, slow songs, and sometimes gospel music.
That sounds relaxing. Do you listen while you study?
Yes, sometimes. It helps me concentrate.
Interesting. For me, I prefer quiet when I study.
Really? I thought music helps everyone.
It depends on the person. Some people focus better with silence.
I understand.
Do you ever watch movies or series in English?
Yes, but I usually use subtitles.
That's actually a very good method for learning.
Really? I thought it was cheating.
No, not at all. It helps you connect words with meaning.
That makes sense.
Over time, you will not need subtitles anymore.
I hope so.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic movies and sometimes comedy.
Nice. Comedy is good for learning natural expressions.
Yes, but sometimes they speak too fast.
That's why practice is important. The more you listen, the easier it becomes.
I will try to watch more often.
Do you have any hobbies besides that?
I also like cooking when I have time.
Oh, really? What do you like to cook?
Simple food, like rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That's good. Cooking is a useful skill.
Yes, it relaxes me.
I don't cook much, but I would like to learn.
I can teach you sometime.
That would be nice.
It's more fun when you do things with someone.
I agree. Even learning English is better when you practice with someone.
Yes, like this conversation.
Exactly. We are learning and practicing at the same time.
I didn't expect a train ride to be so educational.
Sometimes the best learning happens in unexpected places.
That's true.
Do you feel more comfortable speaking English now compared to when we started?
Yes, I feel more relaxed now.
That's good progress already.
Thank you for helping me feel confident.
You're doing all the work. I'm just talking with you.
Still, it helps a lot. How often do you take this train?
I take it almost every week, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week for work.
Oh, so you are very used to it.
Yes, I know it very well now. I even know the quiet times and the busy times.
Is it always this crowded?
Not always. Morning trains are usually more crowded than afternoon ones.
I see. I was surprised when I saw so many people today.
Yes, sometimes people travel for work, school, or business.
Do you prefer traveling by train or by bus?
I prefer the train. It is more comfortable and faster.
I agree. The train feels smoother.
Exactly, and you can relax more during the trip.
Do you usually sit alone when you travel?
Sometimes yes, but often I meet new people, like today.
That must make your trips more interesting.
Yes, it does. Every trip feels different.
I was a little nervous when I entered the train. I didn't know where to sit.
That's normal for first-time travelers.
Now I feel much better. I'm glad I met you here.
Me too. It makes the journey more enjoyable.
How long is the rest of the trip?
About 1 hour left.
Oh, that's not too bad.
No, it goes by quickly when you were talking.
Yes, I didn't even notice time passing.
That's because we are engaged in conversation.
Do you ever get bored on long trips?
Sometimes yes. That's why I usually listen to music or think about work.
I understand. I usually look outside the window.
That's nice too. The view can be relaxing.
Yes, especially when there are trees and open fields.
Nature always makes travel more peaceful.
Do you ever read while traveling?
Sometimes I read reports or articles on my phone.
I brought a book with me, but I haven't started reading yet.
Maybe you can read a little later when you feel relaxed.
Yes, I think I will.
But don't forget to enjoy the conversation too.
Don't worry, I'm enjoying both.
That's good.
I think traveling alone is not always bad. You meet new people.
Exactly. Sometimes you can learn from strangers.
I didn't expect that today.
Life is full of surprises.
Do you think we will meet again after this trip?
It's possible. The world is small sometimes.
Yes, maybe in the city.
Maybe.
This train ride feels different from my usual trips.
That's because of new experiences and conversations.
I think I will remember this day.
Me too.